Have you ever had the opportunity to walk along the promenade of a popular seaside town in the UK that was made famous in the Victorian era over 150 years ago? Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My channel is about lifestyle, hair care, skincare, and beauty tips. If this is something that interests you, you have come to the right place. Join the family by clicking the subscription box below, and I promise you, you won't be disappointed, so that you can keep up to date with my tips and guides to a more beautiful you. So, welcome to Weston-Super Mare, a home of Western Grand Pier, fish and chips and ice cream. There's so many activities you can do at the seafront. One of them is going on the sky view. So going on the sky view, you can pay as an adult or you can pay as a child. So we're just going in, and this is where we are going to get in. So I'm going to get in with my daughter first. And there we are. We're just ready to go on the skies. Then there is crazy golf. As you can see down there, you can play crazy golf, and also there is donkey rides and many more activities around the seafront. While you are on the sky view, you have a notice reminding you to remain seated all the way through. And on the right on the sky view, you have a view across the Western Bay and the Bristol Channels toward the South Wales. So we're just having amazing view across Weston-Super Mare, and you can see all the activities also around the seafront. Look at that amazing view you will be getting from the sky view. It's just amazing. If you happen to feel hungry during your visit to the seafront, there are several fish and chips, bars, pubs, bistros and restaurants, and also English seaside tradition. Well, did you know fish and chips is one of the favorite English foods? Another thing you want to do on the seaside is to go to the Grand Pier, where you can lose all your money on the slot machine. You need to be very careful. So this is the entrance of the Grand Pier. So here you can buy donuts, you can buy candy flows and ice cream. So we actually chose an ice cream, so I'll show you later. And also you can see these beautiful pieces of things, and also there's so many things you can buy. You can also buy so many things for your daughter or for your child. On the walkway to the pier, you can actually have this amazing beautiful view. It was just amazing, and the tides were not in at that moment. I must say this place was heaving. There were a lot of people and there were a lot of kids in, and there were so many activities going in. And here we are losing all our money. So we tried to win a soft toy for our daughter, and I must say, we failed miserably. So we tried to win this Lion King soft toy. Well, it didn't work. And here we go again. I'm trying to win that toy again, soft toy. And I must say, I'm just so horrible at doing this. I was aiming at nothing. And I was actually laughing at myself for not picking up on anything. So there's so many activities you can actually do in the pier. And our daughter really likes this, and as you can see, she is really enjoying it. So there's so many activities for you and your children, everybody. And there we are, just enjoying my twister. And you can have a nice walk around Western Bay to Glitworth Bay. So the tides were out, and you can see this amazing and nice view in front of you. So you can just have a nice walk along the promenade, and it's just so beautiful. And here we go again. I'm just saying hello to my daughter, and she is actually loving it. Just next to the Grand Pier, there is an abandoned pier which has not been used for over 100 years. So you can walk to it, but you can't go in due to it being unsafe. You can also have a very nice walk along the promenade, and you can see these beautiful, amazing seagulls. They were just amazing to see and just so beautiful. We also saw people crabbing along the promenade. Look at that view. You're going to have a very nice, beautiful view of the seaside. Well, tell me about your favorite seafront you've visited recently. Let me know in the comment section below. Does it compare to the one I've just shown you? Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want me to make other videos like this, also let me know in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the subscription box below, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.